Hi there, it's Dr. Brenda Heineke with Revitalize Physical Therapy. Talking today about a couple issues we see pretty often with our pregnant patients. So this is part one of a three-part series, so you can get the other videos on our YouTube channel as well. But today we're talking about back pain during pregnancy and even after pregnancy. Most women are complaining of some like achiness, stiffness throughout the low back at some point during pregnancy. And you know, while this is pretty common, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to deal with that or that you have to be in pain during pregnancy. So one of the big causes for back pain during pregnancy is that as baby comes forward, it really starts to pull the back and you get this big arch in the back, and because of that it stresses the spine so much, and with the weight of the baby pulling you don't really have a choice. Your body has to adjust, otherwise you lose your balance and topple over. However, you don't want to let it get too far because then it leads to pain. So one of the things you can do to try to minimize that is work some of the deep core muscles so that you're nice and supported through the trunk and that you aren't just hanging out like really extended, really arched in the back. So we call this the TA contraction. TA is short for transversus abdominis, which is your deep layer. What you're gonna do is start on your back here. And the biggest thing is you're thinking of pulling your belly button in, kind of like you're flattening your back here. So you're thinking of pulling it in and holding this nice and flat. And then you're going to try to lift one leg just slightly without letting your hips rock or shift. And then you're going to lift the other one. And then you can kind of relax. So if you can see, I'll keep my hands out of the way. When I kind of contract and pull in, I'm pulling down, but I'm still breathing, I can still talk, I'm not holding my breath. So it's kind of like you're zipping up tight pants. And then you're just really trying to hold that steady as you go to lift. So you can try that at home. If you're pregnant, if you're having back pain, this is great even after baby to help strengthen everything. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, we do also host Preparing for Childbirth workshop and Healthy Pelvic Floor workshop pretty often. So if you're interested in learning more about some of these topics, check out our event page on our website and you can sign up for our next workshop coming up. But thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the other part 2 and part 3 on our YouTube channel as well.